We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive overview of the LEGO Botanicals Tiny Plants building set, Model 1-0329. If you own this set, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. The LEGO Botanicals Tiny Plants set stands out as a unique offering in the ever-expanding world of adult-focused LEGO collections. Designed for ages 18 and up, this set is not just a toy, but a sophisticated piece of home decor that merges creativity with style. Measuring over 6.5 inches high, 4 inches wide, and 2.5 inches deep for the tallest plant, the set contains 758 pieces, allowing builders to craft 9 distinct miniature plants inspired by arid, tropical, and carnivorous species. Each plant is nestled in its own terracotta-colored pot, resulting in a display that is both vibrant and realistic. One of the most celebrated aspects of the LEGO Tiny Plants set is its ability to provide a relaxing and mindful building experience. Reviewers consistently mention how the process of assembling each plant is both engaging and therapeutic. The set comes with 3 separate instruction booklets, enabling multiple people to build simultaneously. This makes it an ideal activity for families, couples, or friends, and it has been praised as a fantastic bonding experience. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making the set accessible to both experienced builders and those new to LEGO. The design of each plant is a testament to LEGO's attention to detail and commitment to realism. The miniature cacti, carnivorous plants, and tropical varieties are constructed using clever building techniques that keep the process interesting from start to finish. The vibrant colors and lifelike shapes make each plant a standout piece, and the overall collection feels like a miniature botanical garden that can be proudly displayed on a desk, bookshelf, or windowsill. This set is especially appealing to those who appreciate home decor, but may lack the time or inclination to care for real plants. The zero maintenance aspect is a significant draw as the display remains fresh and colorful without any need for watering or sunlight. Accessibility is another strong point for the LEGO Tiny Plants set. One reviewer, a left-hand amputee, reported being able to complete the build successfully despite initial concerns about handling small pieces. The thoughtful design and clear instructions allowed for an enjoyable and rewarding experience, even for those with physical challenges. This inclusivity is echoed in other reviews where families with children and adults of varying skill levels found the set approachable and satisfying to complete. Educational value is an added benefit. The diversity of plant types included in the set sparks curiosity and conversation about different species, making it a subtle educational tool. Parents have noted that building the set with children not only fosters creativity and fine motor skills, but also provides an opportunity to learn about plant biology in a fun and interactive way. The set's ability to blend entertainment with education is a recurring theme in positive reviews. Quality is, as expected from LEGO, top-notch. The bricks fit together seamlessly, and the finished models are sturdy enough to be handled and repositioned without falling apart. The use of plant-based plastic elements made from sustainably sourced sugarcane is a nod to environmental responsibility and adds another layer of appeal for eco-conscious consumers. The set's packaging and presentation are also praised for their neatness and organization, making the unboxing and building process smooth from start to finish. In terms of value, the LEGO Tiny Plants set is seen as an excellent investment. Reviewers highlight the blend of creativity, education, and decor as providing great bang for the buck. The set's versatility means it can serve as a thoughtful gift for a wide range of recipients, from plant lovers and LEGO enthusiasts to those seeking unique home accents. Its suitability for occasions such as birthdays, anniversaries, and Mother's Day is frequently mentioned, and the set's unisex appeal makes it appropriate for any adult. The display potential of the finished set is another major selling point. Once assembled, the tiny plants add a touch of nature and personality to any space. They are particularly well suited for desks, coffee tables, shelves, and other areas where real plants might not thrive. Some users have enhanced their displays with separately sold lighting kits, which can be powered by battery, USB, or outlet, further elevating the visual impact. The modular nature of the set means that the plants can be arranged in various configurations, allowing for customization based on personal preference and available space. Despite the overwhelmingly positive feedback, there are a few minor drawbacks noted by some users. The small size of certain pieces can make assembly challenging for those with limited dexterity or vision, though the clear instructions and thoughtful design help mitigate these issues. Some users have expressed a desire for even more plant variety or additional customization options, but these are relatively minor points in the context of the set's overall success. The LEGO Tiny Plants set is also praised for its ability to bring people together. Whether building alone for a meditative experience or collaborating with others for a shared project, the set offers flexibility in how it can be enjoyed. Couples have found it to be a delightful activity to do together, splitting up the plants and working in parallel, thanks to the multiple instruction booklets. Families report that the set provides hours of entertainment and a sense of accomplishment upon completion. The aesthetic appeal of the finished models cannot be overstated. The intricate details and vibrant colors make the tiny plants look surprisingly realistic, often prompting double takes from visitors who can hardly believe they are made from Lego bricks. The set has been described as a display-worthy piece of art, suitable for both modern and traditional home decor styles. Its maintenance-free nature makes it especially attractive for those who travel frequently or have busy lifestyles. Another notable feature is the inclusion of digital building instructions through the LEGO Builder app. This provides an alternative to the printed booklets and can be especially helpful for those who prefer building with digital guidance. The app's user-friendly interface and clear visuals enhance the building experience and make it even more accessible. In summary, the LEGO Botanicals Tiny Plants building set is a standout product that successfully combines creativity, relaxation, and style. It offers a rewarding building experience, high-quality components, and a finished display that enhances any living or working space. The set's broad appeal, educational value, and accessibility make it a top choice for adults seeking a unique and enjoyable project. Whether you are a seasoned LEGO builder, a plant enthusiast, or simply looking for a distinctive gift, this set delivers on all fronts. The overwhelmingly positive reviews from users of all backgrounds attest to its quality and charm. If you have tried this set yourself, please share your experience in the comments to help others decide. Remember, the link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. The LEGO Tiny Plants set is more than just a building kit. It is a celebration of creativity, design, and the joy of making something beautiful with your own hands.